Real Halloween housewives of Cityline, we love to stir up trouble and spook each other. Not really, I hate being spooked. But evil Leigh-Ann Moore just loves to play these games. And of course, she wants to scare me. So Eve, tell us what we're doing.
I'm so excited! Well, listen, Queenie, when I was a wee little witch, and at Witch Academy, the teachers used to make us stick our hands inside a box and try to guess what the ooey gooey things were to help heighten our senses. So I thought I would test all of you today, but we're not just using any ooey gooey items. I've gone into my pantry and pulled things that I use to make my magic potions and spells. So here's how this is gonna work. Because with supply chain demands these days, it's so hard to get things from the grocery store. Sometimes I have to substitute. So I'm going to read out a clue for what the item would be that I would use, but then you have to guess what the substitution is in the box. For example, I shall start.
All right.
So, when I'm fresh out of hangry werewolf hair, I sprinkle this in my cauldron after my gams are bare. Any guess what this may be?
Leg hair.
Let me see. Oh. Let's take a look. Yes, it's my leg hair.
Disgusting.
Would you believe that I have to shave every day? It grows like a weed.
Gosh.
Okay.
Disgusting.
Queenie, let's start with you.
I don't even want to play. Oh, that's so upsetting.
Well, let's start by putting your blindfold on.
All right.
And then I shall read the clue.
Okay.
You ready? Is everyone ready?
I guess.
Now, what you don't know is that everyone else will see what's hidden inside while I read the clue.
Molly, you've got my back, don't you?
Always.
Never trust her.
Please. Maybe
All right.
odds the other in your favor.
Quiet witch.
Here is the clue.
All right.
Snapdragon venom or a snapping turtle kiss. When I'm out of both for a potion, I toss in this. And this
I don't like
is
snapping things.
okay. So now if you put your reach in, Queenie, and let's see if you can guess.
It was nice
in
knowing
the
you,
sun.
Queenie. Nice knowing you.
Just a little bit. You can do it, Queenie.
What is it?
Nice knowing
Any
you,
guess?
Queenie.
Oh my God, what is it? I don't know. Is it cheese?
It's cheese! Yes, you can take your blindfold off. Let's turn this so you can see. It is mousetrap cheese. Very good. I'm very impressed.
I thought it was going to be something real. I was really scared. I mean, I wasn't scared. The queen never gets scared. Who's
Way to
next?
save that one, Queenie. All right. Are you ready, my love?
Your turn.
I see that we go to the same plastic surgeon, by the way.
Yes, I know. Nice
They've done a
nose.
lovely job.
It's all about the nose.
Okay, so blindfold on, and here's your clue.
Okay.
You should be
When
dead.
my fridge is empty of dragon hearts or eye of giant newt, I find that these make a great substitute.
What is it?
Ready? To put your hand inside.
Oh.
Let's see if you can figure out what this is. Hand in.
The calories.
Good luck. Touch it. Touch it.
Get ready.
Go on, get in there. Get in there.
Get in there, you win.
Oh, no, do it.
Any guess?
I'm done.
This is ridiculous. It's my favorite snack. It's stewed tomatoes. They're a great substitute for dragon hearts. All right, Urs.
Thank you. Hello.
Are you ready for a little under the sea action?
It is where I live.
Well, let's see how well you know your habitat. Blindfold on, and here comes your clue. When I can't get my hands on an eel from the Dead Sea, I cast my spell with these, but I need to use 3.
Okay.
Are you ready? Hands in.
What is
I need to find the box.
What is Oh.
Queenie.
There
Good
you
luck
go,
with
my
that.
love.
Queenie.
In you go.
I know I'm the new
Right
witch,
there,
but
honey.
love me.
Go ahead, Urs. Touch it. Touch it. Oh, touch it. Oh.
Get right in there.
God.
you taste it? What does it
Ladies.
taste like?
You witches! You witches!
Disgusting.
I smell like the sea.
I figured that it would be
the sea.
something straight from your pantry.
You know what? This is like my eau de vie every day.
a little behind the ears and the gills.
She likes it.
Did you guess what it was?
It's some kind of mackerel, I think.
It's something rather fishy.
Very
Correct.
specific.
Very good.
What's on bang on?
You're better than I am, darling.
You were
Oh my God.
Are you ready for your clue?
Yeah.
Here we go. Blindfold on, follow the rules. Gosh, this one, like,
As if you make the rules.
that's right, lady.
I've got your back.
All right, here comes your clue. If a spell calls for bat fur, but my cupboards are bare, I check the web to see if these might be there.
Oh.
Ready?
Anything to make you stop talking. I'll put my hands in here. It's quite delightful.
Oh, of course you would love it.
likes it.
It's furry. Is it your leg hair again?
Oh, good guess.
Feels like leg hair.
Ew.
But there's two of them. Do you have two legs?
They're furry tarantulas.
Oh, my favorite little pets.
They reminded me of you.
Oh, Mally likes that. Oh,
Nice thing to say.
disgusting.
That's a nice thing to say.
Well, it looks like Crew has what's coming
And
for
some
her.
roaches. No
All
wonder
right,
they're
crew. Are you ready to do this?
Not really.
Okay. Frog drool.
Oh, come on.
Frog drool. Spider spit.
Oh, come on. Mine's going to be slimy.
Or a slug snotty sneeze. If I'm out of them all,
Yeah.
I use a bowl of these.
Oh, touch it. Maybe you shouldn't talk about people
Touch
behind their
Hands
back.
in.
Go on, touch it.
Come on, crew. You've got this.
Go,
My hands are
Crew.
shaking.
Crew, get in there, Crew.
Sister.
Touch it, massage it.
Maybe it's puppies.
Yeah.
You've got it.
Touch it.
Ooh, what's in that?
What is it, Crew? What
It
is
feels
it?
like shells or something.
Yes, shells and.
And like gross slime, like a egg yolk.
Yes!